A warm good evening. It's a delight to see so many smiling faces here. Good evening to everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It gives me the immense pleasure to welcome you all in our auspicious annual function Spectrum 3.0. I extend the warm welcome on behalf of the whole Goenka family. We are honored to have with us our chief guest, Professor Upendra Kumar Tripathi ji, former HOD, Department of Veda, BHU. We are extremely grateful to our chief guest for sparing his valuable time to be with us. I extend a warm welcome on behalf of Goenka family to sir. I also welcome our guest of honor, Shri Rajesh Kumar Pandey ji. I hope sir is on the way. Who is an additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, Varanasi. And I also welcome Professor Harish Chandra Chaudhary ji, former Dean and Head of the Institute of Management Studies, BHU, Varanasi. I also welcome Kedar Tiwari ji and Colonel Ranjit Upadhyay ji, Rajesh Dubey ji from the media representative. We extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries. For every team, there is a great leadership is behind. So I welcome our chairman sir, Shri Dinesh Gupta ji, MD sir, Shri Rahul Gupta ji, Additional Director Shrimati Shreya Gupta ji and Mrs. Seema Gupta ji. Another dignitaries who is sitting on the dais, media and press person, parents, guardians, teachers, staff, dear students, and our all well-wishers and all stakeholders. Welcome you all once again to our annual function day Spectrum 3.0. Spectrum 3.0 is the panorama of activities. You have witnessed some of the activities and I'm sure you all will be thrilled and mesmerized with the performance of students which are going to come. Our students have been working and practicing tirelessly so that they can please all of us. So we want that please be seated at your seat till the end of the program. Today we come together to celebrate another successful year and to recognize the achievements of our students and staff. GD Goenka School Varanasi aspires all students to success in their world with plethora of activities. We focus on discovering, developing and drawing out the hidden talents and the magic lying dormant inside all of its students. From academic to co-curricular activities, perseverance and a never die spirit are entrenched in the heart of every student, not only making them good students, but brilliant human beings too. Here at GD Goenka, we spare no efforts to make the educational experience of our students meaningful and relevant to the socio-economic needs of the times and to equip our youth to face the challenges of the future for leading the society from the front while ensuring that at the same time they are enjoying their experience of learning. And our Spectrum 3.0 will reflect all these shades. Margaret Mead once quoted, "Children must be taught how to think, not what to think." And to enable this, our motto of knowledge, imaginations, innovation is encouraged through a holistic approach. Our motto is stronger, brighter and higher. Our children have demonstrated their skills through numerous competitions at the schools or inter-school level, and it gives us immense pleasure to share with you all, not only in sports competition, but our students perform excellently in our AISSC, JEE and NEET examination also. Let's take a glimpse of the highlights of this academic session. In CBSE result, among 150 students, 81 students got first division, 9 students got 90% above marks. Our top ranker was Anand Patel with 93%. And in class 10, Akshat Anand was the top ranker with 92.4%. Not only CBSE result, but in JEE and NEET also our students has bring laurels to us. Our student Anand Patel scored 99.6 percentile and Ashar Bashar scored 98.4 percentile. In NEET, Ananya Pandey scored 85.42 percentile. This is academic session we introduce commerce stream, and coming session we are going to introduce humanities too. Till now we were having only science, but from this session, academic session 24-25, we have already introduced our commerce students, and we hope that coming year our not only science students but our commerce students will also bring laurels to our school. In the month of May, we had summer camp for 10 days. And summer camp is to harness the skill of the students beyond the classroom. And we were very thrilled to see that our students are very talented. They observe, they experience the adventure sports in which there was zip line, sumo wrestlings. They enjoyed a lot. We took them to the water park also. So this summer camp, they have enjoyed a lot. Not only their physical exercise was done, but they have shown their creativity also through different activities. Our students will have an exposure what is happening at the outside. So we keep on calling guest speakers in our school. And this guest speakers highlights what are the needs of the students. So we had Swadha Sanstha, which came here especially for the girls to tell, there was a workshop for the girls to tell them how they can overcome the girls' problem. Whenever they are having a periods, what the problem, how they can overcome with their problems, which is not a problem. Mentally and psychologically they have to be stronger. And it was a nice interaction with the girls and the organization. Then we have called Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh, who is an MBBS DNB psychiatrist. As CBS is nowadays focusing on, there is a lots of behavioral change among the students. So mental health and well-being, they are focusing more. So this Dr. Pankaj Kumar came and he has taken a session to our students, with our students, and our students were also very enthusiastic to ask so many questions which they are facing. And it was like an psychological workshop for our student. Then came not only the problem, we need motivation in our life. So we have called Professor Mangla Kapoor, who is an acid survivor. Mangla Kapoor, she is a good singer also. She was a professor in BHU, and when she came and she interacted with the students, student had saw that life is not full of roses. Anytime any problem may come, and then how we have to fight back. So Mangla Kapoor was a real inspiration. She was a real hero. Our students felt more motivated when they met with her. Then we have called Mr. Rajesh Pandey, who is a person from Amity University. He came especially for class 11th and 12th counseling session. What career they should choose. Not only there are two streams. Generally what happens after completing class 10, the students, as well as they have a pressure of their peer, they have a pressure of their parents. You have to choose either science, you have to go for JEE or a NEET. There is no other options for them. So this counseling session has shown them there are other arenas also beside this. So whatever your potential is, you can choose your career as accordingly. There are so many courses are there. Then a team of doctors from Heritage has come. They were the dermatologists, and nowadays there are so many advertisements are goes on that keep we can make our skin brighter, how we can become beautiful and all. So this dermatologist has taken the class of the student, and they said that if you want to be beautiful, so you need not to use so many cosmetics. Instead, you have to have a healthy life. You have to have a proper diet in your diet list. So you drink more and more water. Those students were very more enthusiastic, and they've asked so many questions with them also, from them also. So These were the speakers, and like we are hoping that in the next session also we will be bringing more speakers so that students will have more exposure. Then come to the community outreach program. We have, as a student, as in school, we have a responsibility on our shoulder that we can contribute to our society also. So in that mission, we have taken our student to the old age home, which was run by the missionaries near the, I think, Durga Kund. And there, when the students came back, they were crying, there were tears in their eyes. And they says, ma'am, how could it be possible that the children, they are deserting their parents? So this is the reality of the life. So we have to make our student grounded. I have told them, if you really have a good heart, so whenever you have your birthdays, go and celebrate with them. Not only that, you are having a parties, you are calling, like throwing a party to your friends and family members. Instead, there are people who need our support, who need our time. So we too have a duty for our society. The next, our student has reached to the Kotwali Police Commissionerate. Rajesh sir is going to become here. And on the Raksha Bandhan, there they have tied Rakhi to them and came to know how the life, if they suppose they'll go to the police line, how their life will be. There was a good interaction with, of our students with the police persons over there. Then come to the investor ceremony. Leadership is one thing which we have to teach our students. All the time we will not be living with them, neither parents nor the teacher. So every child have a leader within. We have to only coax them, support them and push them. So for that we had our investor ceremony where we have 4 houses. Radhakrishnan House, which is on Sarupalli Radhakrishnan, our second president as well as the great educationist, and the Tagore House, which is again on Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand House again on Swami Vivekanand, Teresa House on the Mother Teresa. So our like houses also have a theme, and in that investor ceremony, Dev Kumar from class 11th has become the head boy, and Avantika Oja from class 11th has become the head girl. Besides that, there were 4 house captains, vice captains, sports captain and discipline in charge and the cultural head. They have a duty to perform, to look after the discipline in the school. And this leadership we have to teach our students. Then we had Excellencia 1.0. It was an intra-house competition we had, in which we not only the scholastic activities, we had the co-scholastic activities also. There was a poster making competition. Poster making competition was on the theme of their own house, and you will be surprised, the students are having a great imagination. There was a typing competition, how fast they can type, because they need concentration. There was a debate competition, and I was surprised, I was so delighted that the students, the way they were performing, it was nice to watch them. In the future, in the maybe next session, maybe I'll have such program where I will call the parents also. Then we had a quiz competition, dance and music, and the instrumental competition. Beside this, we have a sports activities, kabaddi, kho-kho, cricket, volleyball, tug of war. So we have given chances to each and every student, so that whatever the talent they are having, it can come and they can show their talents. It should not be dormant only. Not only with this activity, we sharp our students' imagination through our club activities also. So we are having 4 clubs, that is Kriti, which is on the art and craft, Eureka, which is on the science, Srijan, which is on the literary, and the Prakriti on nature. So every week we have club activity where our students are exposed to these different domain of the education. Then we have taken our students for the excursion because it says that traveling is a part of education. When students will go for the travel, when they meet people, when they see things, they get more educated. And so we have taken them to the Saurabhed Mahamandir Dham this year, and the Trade Facility Center, Dignity Rugs Private Limited, Bhadoi. And I really appreciate the parents, our parents only, it was a company of our parents only. They have warmly welcomed our students, and the students came to know how the carpet industry works. And through the Mahamandir Dham, they came to know how rich we are culturally, how rich culture we are having, so we should be proud of our culture. Then we had 1 week workshop on Scouts and Guide. Scouts and Guide, NCC, you must have heard or you must have experienced when you were the students. The Scout and Guides teaches students how they should be ready for the real life challenges. If the real life challenges will come, how they will be ready. And in this 1 week workshop, the students really enjoyed, and they have learned so many new techniques also. Not only intra-school activities, our students participated in inter-school activities also. Our students went for the roller skating championship to Sunbeam, Sarnath, where our class 1 student Anuradha Rai, under 5 to 7 years of age, scored gold medal. Anuradha Rai from class 1, she has scored gold medal, and today she is going to perform in skating activity also. Our Spectrum 3.0 consists of all the activities, like skates is also you will see, taekwondo will also you will see, yoga you have already seen, and the dances you are watching, dramas will come. Then our students went for the Varanasi district Yogasan sports, where they have bagged 13 gold medal, 4 silver and 2 bronze. In Kashi Championship League for athletics, our Shunakshi from class 7 bagged bronze medal. Besides this, our students have participated in CBSE clusters also for the volleyball and other activities. There is a leader in all a student, and we have to just sharp that leadership among them. So for that, we have sent them for the inter-school youth parliament. Youth parliament, how a parliament works, how they will go for delegations. If suppose they will be given any duty, then how they can delegate their particular department, their particular portfolio. So in that, they have performed and they have learned a lot the tricks of a leadership. Besides this, we have Olympiads. And this year, like Olympiads, different Olympiads in all the subjects we are having. And then we had several celebrations and festivals we had. All the celebration and festivals. Because in GD Goenka, we keep in our mind that spirituality, culture, tradition and the modernity should have a good blend. So for all we have celebrated Halloween as well as the Janmashtami, as well as the Dashara. We had a Ramayan on the Dashara. So we have different celebrations and festival we had. Dear parents, as the National Education Policy NEP 2020 aims to equip students with skills for 21st century skills like critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, digital literacy, communication, information literacy, leadership, initiative, productivity, social and flexibility. Hence, our school curriculum is planned to nurture young minds with holistic development in a safe and secure environment, as our vision is that following the highest standard of education and education for life, as we have seen, stronger, higher and brighter, and our students are learning this. To have a two-way communication, two-way policies in the school, time to time we ask our students to give suggestions and feedbacks, and you will be surprised to see that we have kept our suggestion box in our reception area, where the students, whenever they need some changes, or something new activity they want in the school, So they write their suggestions and they keep in the box. And when we read it and we make it sure that whatever our students are saying, we will implement in our school. So majority of the students say the canteen, but we are not going for it. Why? Because if we'll open the canteen now, the students, they will not eat their homemade food. So we prefer that students should have a healthy and homemade food. But other suggestions, whatever they have given, we have already implemented. And I request my parents that whenever you have any problem, whenever you find that we want to give some suggestions, because our doors are open, we want to be open. And one way we cannot do it. We cannot impose our mind, whatever we are thinking, that we want to impose on you. So if you want, because when we are working together, then only we can shape the future of our child. So I request all the parents, guardians, and the guest also, today the guest has come. So please, whatever the suggestions, anything you want to give us, so that we can improve more, we can improvise ourselves. So you are welcome. You are welcome, and please give it. Because we are a big family, and family members won't hide anything from each others. Okay, so I express my heartfelt gratitude to parents, guardians, our chief guest, and the guest of honors, and all the stakeholders for your cooperation and timely suggestions, which brings more clarity to our vision to work with success on the common project of your ward. We expect the same support system year after year from your part. Without your support, we are no one. So let's join hands together to scale new heights. May God shower His blessing on all of us. Jai Hind. Have a great evening, and I request you all, please sit till the end of the program, because our students have put a lot, so not only students, our teachers have put a lot of effort on it. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
As we continue to celebrate our annual day, we are proud to present to you a mesmerizing musical performance that will transport you to the world of classical music. Today, our students will take you on a musical journey through the majestic Rag Darbari. Rag Darbari, also known as Rag Adnan, is a majestic and serene rag that evokes feelings of grandeur, elegance, and tranquility. This rag is said to have originated in the royal courts of India, where it was performed by the greatest musicians of the time. Through this performance, our students aim to showcase the beauty and richness of Indian classical music. They have worked tirelessly to aim to showcase the beauty and richness. We are confident that you will be mesmerized by their talent and dedication. As we prepare to embark on this musical journey, let us take a moment to appreciate the rich cultural heritage of India, which has given us the gift of classical music. Let us also acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our students who have spent countless hours perfecting their craft. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone, as they come up on the stage for singing Rag Darbari in front of you. Big round of applause for them, everyone. This amazing performance has inspired us all with the divine energy. As we come to the end of this enchanting dance performance, we hope that the divine energy of Ma Saraswati has inspired and motivated you to pursue your passions and dreams. May her blessings be upon us all, guiding us towards knowledge, wisdom, and creativity. May the essence of Ma Saraswati's blessings remain with us forever, illuminating our paths and nurturing our souls. Let's give them a thunderous round of applause once again, everyone. Before we begin further, I would also like to extend my warm welcome for Colonel Ranjit Upadhyay ji for being a part of this event, and also a very famous media representative, Rajendra Dubey ji. Thank you for being a part of our school event, sir. Next, our student choir will serenade us with an amazing song. We are delighted to present to you a musical performance that will touch your heart and soul. Tonight, our students will take the stage to perform the soulful song Sab Hai Apun Sangeet Bina, a beautiful rendition that reminds us that life is incomplete without the melody of music. It reminds us that music has the ability to uplift, to inspire, and to bring people together. It is a celebration of beauty and the ability to uplift, to inspire, and to bring people together. It is a celebration of beauty and importance of music in our lives. Through this song, our students aim to convey the message, and music is an eternal part of our lives. They have worked tirelessly to perfect their performance, and we are confident that you will be mesmerized by their talent and dedication. As we listen to this beautiful song, let us take a moment to appreciate the importance of music in our lives. Let us remember the way music makes us feel, the way it brings us together, the way it inspires us to be our best selves. Please put your hands together for our talented students as they take the stage to perform the soulful song Sab Hai Apun Sangeet Bina. Please welcome them with a big round of applause on the stage, everyone.
Sab
Give a big round of applause to them, everyone. Splendid performance it was. We have just been treated to a truly mesmerizing choir performance of Sab Hai Apoorn Sangeet Bina. The harmonious blend of voices, the perfect synchronization, and the emotional depth of the performance have left us spellbound and enchanted. Please join us in giving them a thunderous applause once again for our talented students, everyone. Now for the further proceedings, I would like to call Tia.
Good morning to all. Good evening to all. As we continue to celebrate our annual day, we are delighted to present to you a spectacular dance performance that will transport you to an enchanting world of Lord Krishna. Tonight, our students will take you on a mesmerizing journey through the various leelas of Lord Krishna, showcasing his divine power, wisdom, and love. Through this dance performance, our students will depict the various episodes from Lord Krishna's life, including his birth, his valiant victories over the demons Putna, Baksura and Kalia, and his divine love for Radha and the gopis. We will also witness the iconic Ras Leela, where Lord Krishna dances with the gopis, symbolizing the eternal bond between the divine and the human. This dance performance is not just a celebration of Lord Krishna's life and teaching, but also a tribute to the rich cultural heritage of India, which has been inspired by the divine stories of Lord Krishna. So let us embark on this enchanting journey through the world of Lord Krishna and experience the magic of his divine leelas. Please put your hands together for our talented students as they take the stage to present this spectacular Krishna Leela dance performance. Please give a big round of applause.
संजीवनी देते उग्र रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडिते
आई जगदंबेच्या नावानं उधा उधा
Fantastic energy and teamwork. Congratulations, young dancers, on sharing this vital part of Maharashtra's heritage. Tulza Bhavaricha Udo Udo. Now, for further proceedings, I would like to call Pratham Bhaiya from class 9th.
Now, class 5 students are here to conquer the stage with the captivating dance. Inspired by coastal Karnataka's vibrant culture, this traditional folk dance showcases harmony with nature. Kantara, often performed to honor the gods, particularly Lord Shiva. Get ready for the vibrant Kantara dance, a traditional folk delight from coastal Karnataka. Class 5th bring you this high energy performance celebrating the divine bond between humans and the ocean. Now, let us embark on this captivating journey through the world of Kantara. Our dancers will weave a spell of magic and mystery, depicting the devotion, faith, and tradition that are at the heart of the Varaha Rupam. Give them a big round of applause.
देव हैं। इस प्रस्तुति को देखने से पहले उनके बारे में कुछ जानना आवश्यक है। पंजुर्ली मतलब युवा व्रत, जो विष्णु के वराह अवतार से सौभाग्य के आरंभ इस धरती पे फसल और जंगल की रक्षा के लिए भगवान शिव ने माता पार्वती के कहने पे उनको कैलाश पर्वत से निष्कासित करके भेजा था। इसीलिए फसल की कटाई से पहले उनकी पूजा की जाती है और इस पूजा दौरान जो नृत्य प्रस्तुत किया जाता है उसे भूता कोला कहते हैं। भूता मतलब देव्य और कोला मतलब नृत्य, और हम आपके सामने जो प्रस्तुत करने वाले हैं वो इसी का एक अंश है।
गंगा तरंगरमणीय जटाकलापम गौरी निरंतर विभूषित वामभागम नारायण प्रियमनंगमदापहारम वाराणसी पुरपतिम भज विश्वनाथम। आज जेडी गोइंका स्कूल वाराणसी के इस वार्षिकोत्सव समारोह में उपस्थित हमारे विद्यालय परिवार के सभी अधिकारी वृंद, हमारे बीच प्रोफेसर हरिश्चंद्र चौधरी जी जो प्रबंध शास्त्र संकाय काशी हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय से पधारे हुए हैं, श्री राजेंद्र दुबे जी अध्यक्ष उत्तर प्रदेश जर्नलिस्ट एसोसिएशन से, और जितने भी यहाँ अभिभावक गण हैं सबको मैं अभिनंदन करता हूँ, नमस्कार करता हूँ। जो जितने छात्रगण हैं सबका मैं अपने आशीर्वाद प्रदान करता हूँ। और यहाँ जो अभी बच्चों ने जो अपनी प्रस्तुति दी वस्तुतः बहुत ही मनोरम और अनेक अपने भारतीय सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों से जुड़े हुए अनेक पौराणिक सांस्कृतिक पक्षों को उन्होंने संगीत के माध्यम से यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत किया। वस्तुतः बच्चों में प्रारंभ से गीत संगीत के माध्यम से बहुत से ज्ञान के जो संस्कार का वपन हो जाता है, संस्कार का बीजारोपण जो हो जाता है, वह हमें आगे जीवन में बहुत कुछ सीखने का अवसर प्रदान करता है। मैं काशी हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय से जुड़ा हूँ। उसके संस्थापक भारत रत्न पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी की चिंतन था कि शिक्षा जो है वह सिर्फ रोजगार के लिए नहीं है, शिक्षा हमें एक पूर्ण मानव विकसित करने में अहम रोल शिक्षा का होता है। हमारा चारित्रिक निर्माण, हमारे अंदर मानवीय मूल्य और संस्कार हमारे जीवन के लिए अभिन्न अंग है। इसके लिए शिक्षा हमें बहुत कुछ सिखलाती है। हमारे भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा में कहा गया है, आहार निद्रा भय मैथुनंच सामान्य मेदत पशुभिन्नराणाम ज्ञानम हि तेषाम अधिको विशेषः ज्ञाने न हीनः पशुभिः समाना। आहार व्यवहार सारी जो चीज़ें हैं, आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन, ये सभी मनुष्य और पशु में एक समान है, लेकिन ज्ञान ही एक ऐसा तत्व है जो हम में और पशुता में अंतर करती है। हमारे अंदर भी गीता में उल्लेख आता है कि हमारे अंदर दो प्रकार के प्रवृत्ति, दैवी प्रवृत्ति और आश्रित प्रवृत्ति का द्वंद्व हमारे प्रत्येक क्षण में होता रहता है। हमारे अंदर जो सत्व गुण की प्रधानता बने, इसीलिए शिक्षा की आवश्यकता होती है कि हमारी जो बुद्धि है वो सत्व गुण से ओतप्रोत हो। मैं एक विशेष रूप से आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा कि नई शिक्षा नीति भारत सरकार की 2020 में भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा का उसमें बहुत ही महत्व दिया गया है। और काशी हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय में एक सेंटर एस्टेब्लिश हुआ, उसमें मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा, सेंटर फॉर वैदिक साइंसेज। उस सेंटर के माध्यम से एक नया डिवीज़न भारत सरकार ने स्थापित किया, इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम, भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा। ये AICTE जो इंजीनियरिंग प्रौद्योगिकी के लिए जो फंडिंग करती है और उनको मान्यता देती है, उसी में एक विंग डेवलप हुआ है। और आने वाले समय में प्राथमिक शिक्षा, माध्यमिक शिक्षा और उच्च शिक्षा में भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा का ज़्यादा महत्व दिया गया है, क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं प्राइमरी एजुकेशन से लेकर के चाहे वो उच्च शिक्षा में, अगर आप उनसे पूछें कि लगध आचार्य कौन हैं, भास्कराचार्य कौन हैं, आर्यभट्ट कौन हैं, अनेक ऐसे हमारे आचार्य हैं जिन्होंने ज्ञान विज्ञान में उनका महत्वपूर्ण रोल रहा। अनेक ऐसे पांडुलिपियाँ हैं जो विज्ञान परक हैं, जिस पर कार्य नहीं हुए हैं। इन सब चीज़ों को फोकस करके नई शिक्षा नीति में आने वाले समय में इन जो हमारी भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा को उसमें महत्व दिया गया है। तो मैं यह कहना चाहूँगा आज इस वार्षिकोत्सव के क्रम में भी कि हम अपनी जो आधुनिक शिक्षा के साथ साथ जो भारतीय ज्ञान की जो परंपरा मूलक जो संस्कृति है उसको भी अब ध्यान देना होगा अपने बच्चों को, क्योंकि उसी से हम एक विशिष्ट भारत की जो परिकल्पना है, हमारे यहाँ जो हमारे जो भारतीय मैथोलॉजी में मनुर्भव की जो परिकल्पना है, सारे जो वेद वेदांग और सारे जो शास्त्र हैं वो हमें शिक्षा क्या देते हैं, हमें एक अच्छा मानव बनाने के लिए। तो वो सारी जो चीज़ें हैं ज्ञान विज्ञान के साथ वो उसकी ज़रूरत है कि आने वाला जो समय है, आप देख रहे हैं पूरे विश्व में एक युद्ध की स्थिति बनी हुई है, उससे निजात पाने में भारत की जो ज्ञान विरासत है वह है भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा, जो हम सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों के साथ साथ जीवन जीने की जो दृष्टि कला को विकसित कराती है। मैं यहाँ पर हमारे इस विद्यालय के जो प्रबंध निदेशक हैं राहुल गुप्ता जी, उपाध्यक्ष श्रीमती सीमा गुप्ता हैं और निदेशक श्रीमती श्रेया गुप्ता, प्राचार्य श्रीमती सरोज जायसवाल जी और यहाँ जितने भी अभिभावकगण हैं, सबको मैं इस अवसर पर सबको मैं इसके लिए आभार प्रदान करता हूँ कि आप सबने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया और कुछ कहने का अवसर मिला। यहाँ बच्चों ने जिस ढंग से अपनी प्रस्तुति दी है वह वस्तुतः यहाँ के जो अध्यापन की जो व्यवस्था है, विशेषकर जो कल्चरल और संगीत के जो अध्यापक हैं, वस्तुतः निश्चित रूप में वो अच्छे हैं जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे ढंग से बच्चों को अपनी प्रस्तुति के लिए तैयार किया है। मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेते हुए आप सबको सम्मिलित रूप से मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं। और वार्षिकोत्सव के क्रम में, वार्षिकोत्सव इसीलिए मनाया जाता है कि हम प्रत्येक वर्ष हम अपना एनालिसिस करें और अपना कैसे विकास करें। तो यह विद्यालय इन 15 वर्षों में अपने इस क्रम में दिखाई पड़ रहा है। आने वाले समय में अपने ज्ञान विज्ञान और अपने शिक्षण के प्रणाली के माध्यम से आगे विकसित हो, यही मेरी शुभकामना है। जयतु संस्कृतम, जयतु भारत।
Thank you for inspiring words, sir. Please give sir a very big round of applause, everyone. It is our honor and privilege to invite our Reverend School Management, led by our Chairman, Sir, Managing Director, Sir, Additional Director, Ma'am, and Principal, Ma'am, to join us on a stage for a special felicitation ceremony. Along with them, we also invite our Chief Guest, Professor Upendra Kumar Tripathi Ji, our Guest of Honor, Shri Kedar Tiwari Ji, Professor Harish Chandra Chaudhary Ji, and as well as Rajesh Dubey Ji on the stage for getting felicitated. Please, sir, come on the stage. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone. It's our immense pleasure to recognize and honor the outstanding achievements of our meritorious students who have made us proud with their exceptional performance in class 10th and 12th CBSE Board Exam 23-24. So I would like to request our guest of honor and chief guest to kindly felicitate those students. First of all, I would like to call Akshat Anand with 92.4% on the stage. Akshat Anand, please give him a big round of applause, everyone. Akshat is an actual meritorious student. He has brought several laurels to school as well. Please give him a big round of applause, everyone. Next we have Asmita Singh. Asmita has got 90% in 10 boards. Please give her a very big round of applause, everyone. Next up we have Aishwarya Shukla with 91% in 12th board. Please give her a very big round of applause, everyone. These are our meritorious students. We also have a prize distribution. We also have a prize distribution for Excellencia 1.0, which was our sports event. And for that, I would like to request, as in Kabaddi, second position was bagged by Teresa House. I would like to request the Teresa House students to please be on the stage. Atul Kumar, class 12th. Atul Kumar, class 12th. Ayush Rai, class 11th. Kartike Upadhyay, class 10th. Ritik Jaiswal, class 10th. Farhan Ansari, class 9th. Pratap Upadhyay, class 9th. Himanshu Singh, class 8th, and Hamza, class 7th. Give them a very big round of applause, everyone. They have bagged the second position in the inter-house Kabaddi competition. Round of applause. Throughout the Excellencia 1.0, our students have worked really very hard for winning each and every matches and games. Position in Kabaddi was bagged by Radha Krishnan House, and the teams are Shashwat Singh, class 12th, Harsh Kumar, class 12th, Dev Verma, class 11th, Nirbhay Pratap, class 10th, Vaibhav Mittal, class 9th, Araf Singh, class 8th, Yash Jaiswal, class 9th, and Samrat Singh Rana, class 7th. Please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Next up, we have the winners for cricket match. That was second position backed by Vivekanand House. We have Parth Mishra from class 10th, Nirbhay Pandey from class 9th, Chirantan Khatse from class 9th, Laksh Mishra from class 7th, Jayesh from class 10th, Arpan Mani Tripathi from class 7th, Vishal Kashyap from 12th, Atharv from class 8th, Abhitej from class 9th, and Anshul Kumar Ojha from class 9th. Please give them a huge round of applause, everyone. Winners. In that, the second position was backed by Tagore House. We have Vaibhavi Dubey, class 9th, Shishri Agarwal, class 9th, Pari, class 10th, Gauri, class 10th, Lavanya Jaiswal, class 7th, Angel Singh, class 6th, Tejika, class 5th, Samriddhi, class 8th, and Jivika, class 7th. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone. This was a girls' all event, and the students have bagged the second position in the Kho-Kho match. Thank you all the students. And next we have the first position from Kho-Kho match. We have Radha Krishnan House. We have Varsha Yadav, class 8th, Pragya Singh, class 5th, Arushi Singh, class 10th, Palak Singh, class 6th, Kamya Goswami, class 6th, Avantika Ojha, class 11th, Kashvi Singh, class 7th, Amrita Kumari, class 9th, and Shashi Singh, class 8th. Give them a big round of applause, everyone. They have bagged the first position from Radha Krishnan House Kho-Kho match.
Now, this is the time for house winning team trophy. So I would like to call Miss Smita Singh, house mistress of Radha Krishnan House. Give a big round of applause for her. I request all the Radha Krishnan students kindly come up on the stage with their house mistress. Our student has shown so many effort in their sports. So I request you to all kindly clap for them. they come up on the podium and continue the program.
Thank you, Priya ma'am. Thank you for this honor, judges, the teachers, management, guests and chief guests. Thank you for this honor. I would like to request our guest of honor, Rajesh Dubey ji, to kindly say a few words. Dignitaries, you can please take your places. And sir, please enlighten us with